Hybrid, so it's gas, pedal, and electric. BIT exclusive.
Leaving the lights on, we got enough juice to get through. First 10 years.
In the country, I just can't. GM had the
Try to get a shot underneath.
very minimal hybrid, but have an 80% charge that goes in there. No problem. I deliver my goods at 85, and then people are more than happy to. Oh yeah.
Your name is?
What? I haven't turned anything on yet. $1.46 kilowatt hour. It ran like that for about 20 minutes. And then 6 cents kilowatt hour. So I had this thing running and I'm just like, this is bullshit. So I phoned up Hydro, like a stop. $800.
6.3 seconds, 60.
Hopefully nobody comes in.
6, 7 kilowatts.
Electric Car Show in Vernon. Brought to you by BIT Electric and Gas Fitting Limited.
Take a look at it. We have some wonderful vehicles. I wish I had them here to rent them. So,
the environment has always been really important to me, so the logical next step was car. And actually the next logical step is to get solar power, especially if you live in the Okanagan where it's sunny all the time. And for us, it's our second car, so we do have a regular car still for longer trips to make it easier. But 99% of the time I use the Nissan Leaf, and I can get everywhere in town, every few days. I plug it in at home. I can actually get a couple of days before I plug it in. I plug it into a regular outlet. It's so easy. It charges overnight. And I'm a person, if I forget milk at the store, I don't drive back with a regular car because it's horrible on the emission, right? So now if I forget milk, I just jump into my electric car, no problem. I like that.
Can you get someone that has a solar industry business now? And that's Barry Milner. So Barry, if you can come on.
What was I saying?
Barry's going to tell you all about solar energy.
Yeah, there's multiple solar here. I'm not going to go on in great detail about how solar works and all that sort of stuff, but there's a tipping point that's happening. And as the price of energy, in particular electricity, continues to go up, we know it's going to go up further, it's going to accelerate as we get this like Site C and stuff like that. So as electricity continues to go up, and the cost of solar products is coming down quite significantly. Now, just as an example, last year for our rear tie packages, the biggest panel we could get from Panama was a 265 watt panel. This year we just got a shipping container in cell panel, same size, but $300 for less than the 265s that were last year. And that's continuously going. We've actually revamped our price list twice a year because the price is coming in. And so that's a perfect storm to look at whether this is an economically wise decision. We all
in Canada and even more. So that's not to say that the infrastructure that is there. His study showed that we have enough wind in Canada that we could go totally wind power if we wanted to. We wouldn't have to worry about things like sight and sea, for example. But anyway, so to tell you a little bit about wind power, it's Glenn.
You guys are wondering about the pretty little wind turbine in the back that's spinning away there. I'm an inventor and entrepreneur. I live in Vernon BC. If you guys drive down by the Blue Heron pub, you've probably seen a helical-shaped wind turbine and a set of solar panels on the roof out there. That's mine. I've been playing around with wind turbines for about 10 years, and it kind of started off with a friend of mine said, maybe we could make a wind turbine using pop bottles. He said, what if you cut a pop bottle in half and you made it one of those helical things and glued it to a shaft? And he was all about saving the environment, and we'll use recycled pop bottles. So I'm the kind of guy that hears something like that and then says, well, I'm just going to try that and see what happens. So I did. I tried that. I cut a bunch of pop bottles in half, I glued them, and it didn't work where beans. It was a real big failure. But it did sort of pique my interest, and I thought, well, what about these they're kind of like an egg beater style. So I tried building an egg beater style, and I tried a whole bunch of different styles. And all of them have their drawbacks. The egg beater ones don't self-start. You've got to have something that kicks them and gets them starting. Some of the other ones, they're noisy. They make that, like the bladed ones, they make that kind of sound, and people don't like those. And so I thought, well, I'm going to buy one of these things. So I looked online, and there was this helical design called Helix Wind. And I phoned them up, and I said, can I buy one of those things? And they said, well, they're about $8,400. And I thought, wow, what's my payback going to be? About 28 years or something? I'll be making power. So then they did a wind study, and they said, no, you don't have enough wind. So I thought, well, that's not very good if I don't have enough wind. But I thought, I live by the lake, and we get wind every day and every night. There's always wind. And sometimes we get really big winds, like the huge one we just had. So I thought, maybe if you could make something that didn't spin really fast, but spun all the time. If I could do that, if I could make wind more often, and maybe a little bit less power. So that's how this thing came about. I started looking at different ways of building turbines, and I came across this thing called sacred geometry. And I thought, what if you built a wind turbine based on sacred geometry? So I did, and it looks like that. But the problem was it spun both ways. Like you could blow on it one way, and it would spin that way, and blow on the other way, spun the other way. And then one day I was sitting there watching Shark Week on television, and they said a shark can only sleep if it finds a spot, a current, like an underwater current. And so I thought, I wonder if I stuck some holes in the thing, if that would help it. So I did. I cut some of these slots in just like I went to Google like everybody else would, and I got a shape of the shark's gill slit, and I cut it out, and I put some in my thing, and I blew on it, and the damn thing came towards me. Like, not the back side, like, well, this side, you would think that would do that. But I blew on the front side, and it actually came towards me. And I thought, that's not right. So I'm getting off topic, but this one is an RV version. It's a very small version for the RV market. And we decided to do all our prototyping on that scale, because if it works on the little small scale, as soon as if anybody's ever sailed, put up a wind turbine or anything like that, there's a ton of power in the wind. So anyway.
When I got the car, I had no experience about how much I can make it, like how far I can get with my car. And we used to live in Kamloops, and I worked in Vernon, so I daily commuted with my Nissan Leaf, which is door-to-door. It's exactly 120 kilometers. And some of the owners don't want to believe me, but I was able to do this for the first couple of years, like 3 times a week with my Nissan Leaf. But the first trip was like almost like it was August, 32 degrees.
Okay, I'm going to bring up Tony. And you probably noticed Tony's really nice red Tesla out there tonight, the first car on the entrance. So, Tony, if you could come up and tell everyone about your Tesla.
Your beeping is louder now, isn't it? Somebody else, that's right. Yeah.